As I told you, after the closer look, I want to have a deeper look, and this time I want to open that, and I have there some RAMs. They are not all DDR2, but mostly. And I want to make an upgrade because this here has two 512, and I want to upgrade them much as possible. Here we have 1024, and here is the other one. So let's make this upgrade. I don't have more. I was always asking me why I collect them, and now I know that it was a good thing. Here you can see both are for MacBooks, MacBook Pro, iMac, Intel. It's interesting that they say that, but and Mac Mini Intel. It should be clear, but yeah. Let's open that, and I don't want to open the entire computer, so we open only the part beyond the battery. You have the battery, and here you can see there are some screws, and we will open them. So let's use this iFixit tool, and let's do that. Probably this here nobody opened it since 2006, so it's a bit emotional. And here it is. It's a really cool L, and we have here the RAM. There is the hard drive. We can take them out if we want, and I want. So here it is. Someone touched it. Anyway, and on this side it's really cool, and it is 160. Where it is, it's only 80. Oh, okay. Here we are on the RAM. You can pull them and the RAM comes out. It's so cool. It would stand here. You can open that. If you don't remember how it works, you can see it here. It's explained how you need to take them in. Okay, here they are, the 2 gigs of RAM. Let's take them in. I want to show you this side on this side. It's okay. So now let's take them in. You need to press it in. I will press it later better. And this here. And now we need to use a bit more force. We need to feel how it enters. It goes in, and I feel it, so it's in, and that's how it looks. Then we can put that here again in. So I want to show you it better with how it works. So that here comes in a bit more. Then this here, this screw, this. So, and before you can do something, you need to put that in, and at the same time you should press it together. And you can set the first screw, The second one you can take it to a bit, not too much. And now again you need to press it. Oh, it works. It's just one. Oh, that's nice. And yeah. So now let's see if this Mac did survive it, this operation. Let's turn it on. Let's go over this Mac. And yeah, there are 2 gigs of RAM. Cool. Let's see it deeper. We have the memory. Where it is? Here. 1 gigs and 1 gigs. Nice. Now, for the first time ever, you can see me, and I want to tell you that I have another deeper look ready for you, and it's not in this video because it's a bit longer. It's not too much long, but it's a bit long. So in this video we will not see a RAM upgrade because it's something more. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day. See you in the next video.